AI reality check that will shock you. So what if I told you that the biggest tech revolution of our time is not exactly what it's being hyped up to be? Now, AI mentions in corporate earning calls have exploded almost 800% in just 1 year. But here's the dirty little secret that nobody wants to admit. Most of these AI companies are just putting lipstick on a pig. How do I know? Because I've been inside of these boardrooms and I've seen the demos that don't work in production, and I've watched a lot of dollars disappear into AI projects that never delivered. The question isn't whether the AI bubble will burst, it's whether your company will survive when it does. So, are you ready for what's coming? Welcome to StartupHakk. I'm Spencer, and here at StartupHakk, we train software developers and build custom software solutions for companies. With a decade of executive leadership as a fractional CTO and 25 years in software development, I've mastered transforming tech teams and products. So the AI hype train is derailing, and I'm about to show you exactly where the wheels came off. So remember when I predicted the Web3 crash? Well, we're seeing the same pattern, different technology. But this time the stakes are higher because entire business strategies are built on AI promises that aren't going to be able to deliver. So let me break down some critical warning signs that prove this bubble is already starting to deflate. So let's start with a great AI masquerade. Companies are slapping, quote, AI-powered labels on basic automation that's existed for decades. It's like calling a calculator mathematical intelligence system. The overnight transformation epidemic is real. Yesterday's blockchain companies became AI first without changing a line of code. Now, most AI startups are just fancy user interfaces wrapped around ChatGPT's API. So there's zero proprietary technology under the hood. So the fact that these companies have no proprietary technology and that they're relying entirely on ChatGPT could make them disappear tomorrow. So let's talk about the money reality check. VCs poured billions into AI startups, but now they're asking the uncomfortable question, where's the actual revenue? The funding frenzy is over. Investors finally realize that connecting to an API doesn't create a sustainable business models. Companies are demanding measurable returns on their AI investments, and most can't provide them. So I've sat in a lot of these situations where executives approved a lot of money for AI initiatives, and now they're quietly shutting them down. So there's a quality crisis. AI hallucinations aren't getting better. They're actually getting worse with each release. As models get bigger, the hallucinations are growing, with newer models making up information 33% of the time. So the gap between flashy demos and production reality is a huge difference. And I've seen companies spend a lot of money on AI pilots or demos and never seen these work at scale. So building AI that actually increases customer satisfaction or reduces costs is exponentially harder than anyone expected. Now, most companies lack the data infrastructure, the talent, and the processes needed to make AI work in the real world. Now, there's also human resistance right now. The replace all humans with AI narrative is collapsing as companies quietly bring back human verification processes. Businesses are discovering that AI mistakes cost more to fix than human review would have cost up front. Third-party API dependencies are creating single points of failure. When OpenAI goes down, or when OpenAI implements a new feature and suddenly your business is out of a feature entirely, entire businesses stop functioning. Smart companies are realizing that the most successful AI implementations enhance humans rather than replace them. So if your company has systems that aren't connected, reach out to us, because here at StartupHakk, our specialty is connecting systems to help your company work to maximum efficiency. Check out startuphakk.com/Spencer. Now, what are your thoughts? Because here at StartupHakk, I love to help people implement intelligent AI solutions. We work with data matching, with pattern matching to use LLMs for their strongest abilities. You don't want to just slap AI onto your website and say you're shipping something. So reach out to us, because here at StartupHakk, we love to help you to implement great strategies so that you can make your company more efficient. Check out startuphakk.com/Spencer and leave a comment down below, because I answer all the comments personally. And here at StartupHakk, we love to train software developers as well as build custom software solutions for companies. So hit the links down below and we'd love to help you out.